Yashu. Yashu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yashu, can you share your screen, please?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yashu,
Is the screen
do you
visible?
mind to introduce yourself first? Like, who are you? I know you're a human being for sure, but beyond that, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, sir. Sure. I am Yashu Maurya of class 9th, and I've been with NimbleQ since class 7th, and it's been 3 years. In the first year, I was taught the basic block coding and the basics of coding. The second year, I went into robotics and machine learning, and now I'm learning how the real programming works.
So,
Since
have you learned Python before? Let me ask you.
no, like I just started 2 months before when
2 months
the
ago.
NimbleQ
Okay,
asked me.
okay. And what are you going to show today to us?
Okay, so this is a 15-line code, and what it does is it is a movie recommender. Okay, I guess everyone knows about IMDb. It's a
Okay.
movie website, right?
Yes.
It has reviews, ratings of every movie, right? Then I want to extract the ratings. Like I don't want to go to the website and then search for them. Like it will take my internet and time, right? I don't want that. I just want, okay, let's run this program and I'm going to get whatever I want. So it is not, see, it has extracted the top 10 movies from the list of top 250 movies they have given.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And how are you able to make this? You don't know anything about Python. How do you understand Python with NimbleQ? Can you explain to our listeners over here?
Yeah, sure. See, I was taught the basics. I mean, not the totally basics. I knew something from programming that has been taught to us, like string and integers. What are they? But I didn't know what is a list, what's a tuple, what's a dictionary, and everything that I have used here. Yeah, I didn't know about loop and everything. So I have learned this, and then they just gave me a project. Okay, make this movie recommender, and we will see it in the next class. And after that, I tried making it. So this was the actual recommender. I did some hard work, not smart work, and made this. Yeah, and I I got some useless information which I don't want. Like uh yeah. So I got the list of top 250 movies. I got the title, I got the year, I got the cast,
Oh,
yeah,
so
and everything. But
so you modified on your own this kind of thing. We asked you to do a small bit, then you can run on your own.
yeah, exactly. But I didn't want that thing. Yeah,
Okay.
like I only wanted ratings and the movie titles, right?
Mm.
So they told me about IMDb module, and then I started searching on it. They started helping, and after the class, they introduced me to IMDb module. I have built this program.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. What other projects are you working on your own beyond like when we teach you? So just all the audiences, we use a top-down approach. We ask them to start working on a project. We never teach them basics. We never teach them basics. Whatever is required for that project, they learn only those things. While after working 4 or 5 projects, they're smart enough. Because what we believe nowadays, the coding is available everywhere. They need to know how to smartly use that coding for their purpose, not to code. So they need to be smart user rather than busy users. Go ahead, Yashu. What other things that you have done? Just let us know.
Yeah, sure. So this is a program I have written, and what will it do? If I run this, it will shut down my computer.
Oh,
So if I will just write down, just run the program, it will open PowerShell window, and it will write a code shutdown /s/t0, which means the computer should shut down in 0 seconds. All I have to do is to uh, uncomment this line of code so that it can press enter and my computer can shut down. But of course, I'm not going to do that. Yeah.
you were working on some of the decryption, encryption. That's something you mentioned to us a couple of
Yeah,
days ago.
exactly. Yeah. So
What is that? How does it work?
let's be creative and think that I am from CIA. Okay, let's be creative and think that I am from CIA. I want to send a message to the FBI and I have to save it from the hackers. Hackers are behind me, the terrorists are behind me, and everyone is behind me. Yeah, and then I have to send a message. So how will I send? The simple answer to it is I have to get a key. I have to get a special key, and from that key, I have to encrypt the message. Okay, so I have a message. Okay, there is going to be an attack at WTO. Okay, and I'm going to get a key. Yeah, so I got the key. This is my key, and this is my encrypted message. All that we have to do is to change the key. Uh, is to copy the key and change it out here and copy the message.
So this is your encrypted message.
Yeah, this is the encrypted message. No one will ever find out.
Oh no, I don't know what is the GGTTE DTPP.
Yeah, it's exactly random. And I have to uh, second. So I have to
So
copy
these
the.
things, type of things you think on your own to come up with your own ideas without knowing basics, is still able to do all those things.
Yeah, actually,
Very nice.
at NimbleQ, many children, I mean, not children, actually, my classmates at NimbleQ. So we kind of compete with each other. Yeah. So I want to be the best out them, and they want to be the best out of me. Yeah. So we learn
Good.
each. Then we learn everything. Okay,
Uh,
they know something. They know I know some things, and then we interact and we learn. So if I
Very
run
good.
this program,
Uh,
so here's a
okay.
message. Okay,
Oh,
there is going to be an attack at WTO.
you de-encrypted again this your
Yeah,
message.
exactly.
Very good. Very good.
And here's a
And what are the projects? Just name us the projects that you are working on in your
face
on your own.
detection. Face
Face
detection.
detection. Okay.
I have a video for that.
No, no, don't worry
So
about it. I think we don't have that much of time. We would love to see it. Okay.
so it has, but it is not sensitive enough. So
Don't worry.
the user will move. It will not see. It will not detect the face. So it is not ready now, but still.
Good. Thank you, Maurya. And we are excited
Thank
to
you,
know
sir.
that, within 2 months of not knowing Python at all, with our top-down approach of NimbleQ, it is working out that you are able to take up the responsibility and try to work on different projects on our own. So great, big clap to you. And thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.